Welcome to Trade Pro. In this video, I'm going to show you how I scan the market multiple times per day for good trade setups. Now, this is very important to have a procedure to follow so that you can treat this like a business. If you want to do this full-time or part-time, you do need to have a procedure to follow. So I'm going to go over how I set up my watch list in TradingView, the broker integration into TradingView, as I can take my trades directly through TradingView with my broker integrated into TradingView, and how I quickly scan through the market a few times per day and find the good setups, making sure I don't miss any good opportunities. All right, so the first thing that I recommend you do is integrate your trading platform into TradingView so that you can take trades directly from the TradingView charts. It's really convenient and it's super simple and easy. So you just come right down here to Trading Panel. It will say Trading Panel when you are not integrated. And you'll click that, it will pop up all the supported brokers. All you have to do is sign into your account and it will instantly integrate into TradingView so that you can just come right on your chart and place trades, create an order form, and it's really as easy as that. It's super simple, and I recommend you do that so that you don't have to deal with the 2001 looking MT4 platform that is just so clunky and outdated. All right, so once you're all integrated, the next thing you need to do is create a watch list of all the pairs that you are going to be trading. To do that, come up to the top right-hand corner here, and you get a blank little watch list area. Hit the little plus sign that says add symbol, and it's going to pop up all the currency pairs that your broker supports. Personally, I only trade the majors. I'm not going to be going for any crazy exotics, so I'm going to add all the currency pairs that I trade to the watch list, and I'm just going to quickly go through and add the currency pairs that I trade. So once I have the currency pairs up onto my watch list, to actually go through and scan these, you need to actually know what you're looking for. And how I do it is very simple and very fast, so I can get through all of these rapidly. So for my strategy, I'm looking for areas of value. I'm looking for pullbacks in trends in order to get an entry using hidden divergence. So as I go through these, I'm going to tell you kind of why I choose some of them and why I'm leaving out other ones and just skipping right over them. So not interested in this one. I would have been down here on the pullback. Maybe I would have been over here, but not interested. This is coming up to the top end of a range. Not interested. Not interested at all. This one is way extended up here. I would have been more interested down in this area, but I'm not trying to get in at the top of a range. I'm looking for an area of value, a pullback in the trend, not an extended portion of the move, okay? So you have to know what you're looking for. Obviously not interested in this one either. Extended up, I'm looking for pullback in the trend, okay? Not interested, not interested, not interested, although I did short this all the way up here. If we go out to the 2-hour time frame, had really nice hidden bearish divergence there, coming right off of the 200 EMA on the 2-hour. But anyway, not to brag to everyone. Nope, not interested. Potential. Yeah, so this one, we have a pullback in the trend. So I would be looking to zoom out and see what type of trend we're seeing. So not interested, main trend is up. So this looks like a sideways correction for a continuation up. So if you want to maybe go out to a higher time frame or zoom out on the chart if you see something that's interesting. Not interested, not interested, not interested, not interested, not interested, not interested. Would have been interested up on these ranges. Not interested, not interested. Okay, here's one. Okay, so let's stop on this one. This one I'm interested in. Let's go out to the hourly. Zoom out a bit. Okay, nice long-term uptrend. Okay, I like this setup. This is one that I like. So this one I'm gonna mark down. And the next thing I can dive in a little bit deeper here is, do we have hidden bullish divergence? And the answer is yes. So this one I'm extremely interested in, and I'd be starting to look for a trade entry on this one to the long side for a continuation of the uptrend. Okay, so do you guys see how I'm kind of going through and scanning? I'm looking for pullbacks in the direction of the trend. I'm looking for the hidden divergence for a good entry. Okay, so that one I like. This one looks like a nice pullback too. Doesn't look quite ready yet though. Don't have any hidden divergence, so I can note this one. I can write it down. No, see this one, you know, would have given us a really nice setup. Look at that hidden divergence on this spike down here. Yeah, so you can kind of note that a lot of these are in areas where I'm not looking for setups, but recently they were in good areas where I would be looking for a trade setup. Yeah, so yeah, a lot of these not in good areas. Let's see. No, this one's in an uptrend. Yeah, so most of these are not in the good area where I'd actually be looking for a position. This one's interesting, but it's under the 200 EMA, so no. Yeah, so as you guys can kind of see, I just got through all these. And it's really simple. I found one that has a really nice setup, and I would be marking down the other ones where it looks like they might be entering into some good pullbacks. But you know, if I look at something like pound dollar here, when this thing does pull back, then I would be looking for a buy setup if we get some nice hidden bullish divergence on the pullback. Okay, so you know, a bunch of these are looking very similar. A lot of these are just in the middle of big moves at the moment. So I would just be waiting for a pullback. You need to be very patient and wait for the good setup. That is how you win in these markets, you know. And it's really as simple as that. That is how I scan the markets. I just pop up all the pairs that I trade. I go through a few times per day and mark down which ones I'm interested in checking back in on, and just waiting for pullbacks in the trend and getting in on those pullbacks with hidden divergence. When you trade with the trend and you get in at an area of value on a pullback, you have a high chance of winning. You have a good risk reward ratio as well, since you're getting in on a pullback. You're not entering at the top of a strong move. So yeah, that's how I scan through the markets and look for setups and use hidden divergence to give me a confirmation, plus my indicator for an entry. So hopefully this helped some of you guys out. It's really as simple as that. And if you guys just are looking for areas of value, pullbacks in the trend direction, and making sure that you're not entering at bad times, like after a big move has already occurred, you want to wait and be very patient for that pullback to happen so that you're entering at a good area of value. Okay, makes the risk reward ratio much better, and you're much less likely to be stopped out if a move has already come down quite hard and likely about to reverse and continue the trend. So yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say about it. Hopefully you guys like this video. Please don't forget to like the video and comment for the YouTube algorithm. And if you haven't subscribed, what are you doing? Subscribe to the channel. Making some pretty solid content on the channel. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day.